because I never realized how much it was going to cost to raise kids. I really didn't. I never thought about it beforehand. And you know how much they say? But Monsignor, I'm going to ask you. I'm curious to know. You know how much the estimated cost to raise a kid now to the age of 18? How much? 60,000? You can't get them home from the hospital for $60,000. $60,000. Peace be with your spirit. When I Googled it, it was $250,000. And I remember seeing that, you know, my kids were little, I remember seeing that and thinking, I don't have it. And then my own financial forecast, I figured out I could raise my kids to the age of 7. That's it. That's when I turn to my kids and go, so what are you going to do now? Do you have any leads? You want a letter of reference? I'd love to help you. You're a great kid, but these numbers don't lie. And to be honest, sometimes you do. Thanks very much, folks.